everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I bake salmon fillet steaks. It's quick, nice and easy. So here I have salmon fillets. First I have this baking sheet which I've covered with the foil. So firstly what I'm going to do is put some spices. You can put any spices of your choice. So I'm just going to put a little bit. I think that's enough. And then I'll put some extra olive oil. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll put the salmon on the baking pan, just like this. And then I like mixing up the oil and the spices with the salmon using just my hands. This is how I do it. I didn't put any salt because the spice which I used as salt already. Just making sure that every salmon steak has got some oil and spice. And that's it, guys. The salmon is out of the oven. It was there for 30 minutes at 190 degrees. It smells very nice. And I'll serve it with rice and veggie. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.